In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a profile picture in Calendly. Having a clear, professional looking profile photo in Calendly is really important because it's often the first visual impression people get when they book time with you. It helps them recognize you quickly and makes your scheduling links feel more personal and trustworthy. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through changing or adding your profile photo, and I'll share a few tips along the way. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account and that you're on the main dashboard. This is the page where you normally see your event types and scheduling options. Once you're there, look towards the left side of the screen for your profile area. You should see a small circle with either your initials or your existing photo. This is your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon on the left. Clicking this icon opens a small menu related to your account. This is where you can access things like your account settings, billing, and of course, your profile details. If you don't see it right away, try widening your browser window or scrolling slightly, because sometimes the layout can shift depending on your screen size. From that menu, look for the option labeled Profile and click on it. Selecting Profile will take you to your personal profile page in Calendly. This page controls how you appear to others when they visit your scheduling links. Here, you'll usually see your name, your headline or role, and other personal settings, along with the space for your profile image. On this profile page, find the area where your photo should be. If you don't have a photo yet, it may just show your initials in a circle. Right near that, you'll see a button or link that says Upload Picture. Click on Upload Picture. When you click this, a file dialog box will open on your computer. From here, navigate to the folder where your chosen photo is saved. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit headshot where your face is centered and easy to recognize. Select the image file, then confirm the upload. Calendly will process your picture and, in most cases, show you the updated image right away. If there's an option to adjust or crop it, take a moment to make sure your face is framed nicely, then save your changes. Once that's done, your new profile picture will appear anywhere your Calendly profile is shown, giving your invitees a more personal and professional experience.